wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a new Fenty launch, and I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it. Do y'all notice that, the girls, they don't talk about Fenty launches like they used to anymore? Like, y'all remember Fenty launches used to be a thing, used to be an event when it first launched. We were watching Fenty reviews for like a good month. But after the launch, they had Fenty Friday. They launched their products like an album on Fridays. And it's just been a minute since I feel like, the girls really like went to bat for a Fenty launch. I feel like the last one was probably the skin tint. Have they launched anything after the skin tint where like it really like made some noise? People were like, okay, I gotta go buy it. I feel like the skin tint was the last thing, and that was like right around the time the pandemic started, somewhere around there. So of course, like, it makes a little sense there, but still, this is Fenty that we're talking about. But the whole point of that is they have a new product, a new launch. I'm going to swatch all of them because it's also been a long time since I've done a lip swatching video. So if you guys want to see what they look like on, let's go. So these are the new Fenty Beauty Poutsicle Hydrating Lip Stains. These retail for $24. There are 4 shades. It is a lip stain that goes on glossy and leaves behind a soft tint, delivering rapid hydration for an effortless, low-maintenance look. Okay, so first shade I've got, let me try going from lightest to darkest shade. So the first shade I have here is My Type 01, and that, oh, so this is what the packaging looks like. It has the color on here. Fenty lip products, I feel they're hit or miss. You either like them or you don't. There's really not much in between. Like, they've launched the little lip balm things where they had real wild colors before. Okay, then they had the ones in the little triangle. I don't remember what any of these things are called. Okay, the gloss bombs, that is where they excel in lip products. I mean, I'm gonna try this one, but I'm pretty sure I have every lip gloss bomb color. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my lips. One coat, didn't dip it back in, didn't press my lips together. This is just what it looks like fresh out of the tube. Okay, I see pigment. I like the color. Next shade is Zesty Bestie 02. And this is what that one looks like. That shade I like. I feel like it still works on my skin tone. I feel like you can notice, as someone who has a top lip that's darker than the bottom lip, I feel like you can tell the difference in how the pigment comes off between my top lip and my bottom lip. But then I also remind myself this is like a lip stain type thing, and that's like that type of pigment isn't going to be the same as a matte lipstick or a gloss or something like that. So let me try the other shades. I feel like the two kind of look the same, so I'm trying to figure out what's the difference in the 2 shades. So before I give my thoughts on this shade color, let me try the other one. This is the next shade. It's Strawberry Sangria 03. Like, that's what I was trying to figure out the difference, because from the swatch on the box, it looks pretty similar. I'm assuming one's supposed to be red, one's supposed to be orange. So I'm hoping this one comes off more orange. I mean, more red on the lip. Did y'all hear that? Okay, this is what this shade looks like. Yeah, definitely more red. And now that I've seen this one compared to the one I just tried, the one that I just tried was still cute. I don't know. Cause I feel like, you know, it wasn't oranging enough for me for it to be an orange. I mean, cute, but this red. I might just also like red lipstick on myself more than I do orange. But this red though, she's cute. I like it. I like her. And the last shade I have is Berry Banger 04. And that is what this one looks like. And I feel like out of all of them, this one looks the most, you know, like, oh, that could be a lip gloss, not even a lip stain type thing, because of how dark it is compared to how dark my natural lips are. Again, like this color, it's also been a minute since I have worn a dark lip like this, but I like it. So that was it. They only launched 4 colors, so my thoughts on these, just like first impression type thing. As far as the colors go, I like all of them except really the orange one. I don't know if it's because of how much of a difference at least I noticed between my top lip and my bottom lip, even though it is a lip stain. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling that. But other than that, but still, including that one, they all work on my skin tone. So use me as like a shade reference, something like that. I feel like they all still work for my skin tone. They all show up pigmented for a lip stain on my skin tone. It's just my personal preference. I don't really care for that one shade, but the other ones, I'm here for them. The formula of this, it says it's hydrating. I do feel, you know, a little perk to my lips after I put these on. They are lip stains. I feel like you notice even after I took the other shades off so I could swatch the next color, my lips were still stained that color. Are they going to easily come off? Yes, they are. They are going to easily come up off the lip. I would use my hand, but I'm trying to film another video after this. I need the swatch on my hand. But yes, they are going to easily come off because they are lip stains. But the formula is weird enough to where it feels like lip stain, but it dries down and then it starts feeling like lipstick, kind of. Like it's a weird finish, at least for me, with a lip stain type product. But yeah, it is going to come off once you start eating and stuff like that. They're definitely pigmented for lip stains, and they are more, you know, bold, bright colors for the type of lip color that's been pretty popular in the beauty community lately. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it seemed like everyone just kind of went back to wearing, you know, a nude lip. Brown, nudie. I don't see much, you know, even really like pinky pink, like the first one, or purples. I definitely don't see, you know, like a blue lip or black lip, green lip often anymore if someone is not, you know, like just creating a more editorial makeup type look. I don't really see that much more often, so I feel like these colors might be a little, ooh, you know, a little ooh, once you see them, but especially for the aesthetic, which I really don't want to get too deep into the clean girl, clean beauty makeup aesthetic look right now, because y'all spent a whole week debating that. But since it is like the popular trend aesthetic right now, I definitely see these easily, you know, falling into that aesthetic. I see the people who promote that type of content like easily being able to incorporate this into their looks, and just like people who wear their makeup like that in general, because they're still pigmented, but they are lip stains. Like the coverage can be light enough, especially depending on how you use it, that if clean girl makeup is your thing, that you can easily incorporate these and still have, you know, some color to your makeup look if you want to. Especially summer's coming, you know, that is the time where you start seeing more, you know, orangey lips, pinky lips and stuff like that. So I feel like if that is how you like it, then you can definitely, then you'll definitely like these products if you want to pick them up. And for me, I feel like I where I am right now, I probably would not wear these like alone. Like just like this, I probably would not do that, but y'all know I also don't use one lip product in general. But for me, what I like about them is the formula and the color payoff is nice enough that when I do my usual, you know, like nudie lip, usually I want like something like right in the middle, like a little color, a little pop, something besides nude, where I can use these and it'll still look nice. So let me try showing you what I'm talking about. Hold on, let me take this off. So this is how y'all usually see my lip. Now keep in mind my lips are already stained because I just swatched 4 of the product. But this is how you usually see my lip, a nude type thing. But now with these, because again of the formula and the pigment, I can take this. This is the first one I swatched, right? This is 02, the orangey one. Same thing. So I can take that as like a little overlay. And it's just a little something, and just a little something on top to put some color back into the nude. But all that to say, I like it. Unnecessary? No. Like, gloss bomb is necessary to me, okay? You tell me you're gonna launch a new gloss bomb shade, I'm getting it. I don't really need to see what it looks like, I'm just going to get it, okay? But this, it's a nice addition to have. Necessary? No. Nice to have, especially, you know, if you collect, if you like the brands, you like getting their new stuff, or you saw it, you're interested, you want to check it out for whatever reason you want to check it out. Nice to have, yes. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. So I hope seeing the swatches helped you guys want to see what they look like on my skin tone, want to hear my thoughts on the product. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.